Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a Sri Lankan classic Pol Roti or coconut roti, one of the easiest and most loved dishes across the island. This roti is soft on the inside and little crispy on the outside and full of rich coconut flavor. Perfect for breakfast or dinner and even better with little katta sambal or your favorite curry. So let's get started. First, in large mixing bowl, add the flour, grated coconut, salt and chopped onion and green chilies if you like a little bit of heat. Mix everything together using your hand until it's evenly combined. Yes, use your hand today. Next, slowly add water, add a little bit at a time and knead it into a soft dough. The dough shouldn't be sticky, just soft enough to roll easily. Now divide the dough into small balls about the size of lime. Then flatten each one with your palm or rolling pin to make a round medium thick roti. After that, heat a flat pan on over medium heat. Once it's hot, place your roti and cook until golden brown spots appear on both sides of the roti. You can brush little bit of oil or butter on the top of the roti for extra flavors. Look at that! Soft, warm and slightly crispy on the edges. Just how Sri Lankan love it. Serve your coconut roti with katta sambal or any type of curry that you like most. Even you can with the coconut chutney. It's perfect comfort food that can eat any time of the day. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Drop a comment below and tell me how your roti turned out. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another delicious recipe.